2012 Ram 1500 Hemi. Hemi 5.7 liter. Beautiful truck. Got factory converters there and there. He drove an hour and a half to get to us, guys. So we really appreciate everything everybody does by sharing and making us happen on YouTube. What we got done on it is a flow FX and a Y pipe, custom Y pipe that we make for these on this Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. So we put a flow FX custom Y pipe. There'll be a link in the description for the flow FX. It's a 3-inch in, 3-inch out, 71919, I think the part number. I'm not sure, but we'll have a link for it. And then it's got factory resonators there and there. Then it's got factory tips there and there, as you guys can see. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. And hit that notification button. Perfect. Nice deep tone. Give a gas. Oh, yeah. Much better. That sounds phenomenal. There's sound decibels. Again. Bro, it sounded a little bit louder actually. It's 105. That's perfect. Go ahead. Beautiful. That sounds phenomenal, guys. What you guys hear on the inside? Ram. You can't go wrong with a Ram. I have a Ram now too, so I like Rams. That 5.7 Hemi. Nice. Oh, beast mode there. That sounds phenomenal, guys.